This salad shouldn't work, but somehow it does. It may be the most refreshing thing that you will eat all summer. If you're tired of boring salads, this 7-ingredient hydration bomb is packed with sweet, salty, and zesty flavors, and it takes less than 10 minutes to make. We're mixing juicy watermelon, creamy feta, fresh mint, and a tangy balsamic-lime dressing to create the ultimate refreshing summer salad. I'm Dr. Joanette, creator of the Longevity Switch and your longevity expert. Let's get cooking this delicious salad. To get started for this salad, you are going to want to choose a seedless watermelon. You're going to need about 1/4 of a large watermelon or 1/2 of a smaller watermelon. Sometimes you can buy them in the store by 1/4 or 1/2, either one, or just buy a whole watermelon. And double the recipe. Put that in your bowl, and to that, you are going to add some pickled red beets. These could be just fresh beets. They don't have to be pickled. I like the pickled red beets. Scroll down to the link below and you'll find a link to the recipe where you can get those pickled red beets. And feta cheese, about 1/2 cup of feta cheese. We're gonna just cube it up here and toss it into our salad. This is probably a little more than 1/2 cup. I love feta cheese. This is the kind of salad that when you see it, you go, it looks, I don't know if that's gonna work or not, but trust me, this salad is amazing. And when you give it a try, you'll be like, yeah, that salad works. It is, I'm gonna make that one again. This has become one of my favorite go-to summer salads. And when I make it for people, they go, that's kind of interesting. And they try it and they go, oh, it's good. And next, we are going to chop up some mint and add some fresh mint leaves to the salad. I've got a mint plant right over here. You can see it's a bunch of them in a vase. And I'm just gonna pick off some of these leaves. And if you like a lot of mint, then pick off lots of leaves. And if you're not such a fan, then go light on the mint. This mint is super minty. I'm gonna just chop that up real quick. And depending upon how fine you like your mint chop, I like some of it where it's chopped pretty fine and others where it's not quite so fine. And we're gonna just toss that in there. And I have some here that I also have chopped up much finer. And now we're ready to make our dressing. I'm gonna start with about 1 tablespoon of a lime. Fresh squeezed is always best. If you have a big lime, cut it in quarters. It's much easier to squeeze it with one of these types of utensils. All of the utensils that I use today, you can find the link for them down below. Just scroll right down or go to my website, growwithdrjoanette.com, and click on the shop button and you'll be able to find them there as well. To that, we're going to add some olive oil and some balsamic glaze, a little salt and pepper. My dad used to always put salt on his watermelon. Are you one of those salt people or not when it comes to watermelon? Do you salt your watermelon? Comment in the links below if you're one of the people that love salt on your watermelon. I've discovered either you are one of those people that love salt or you're like, that's disgusting. And let's whisk that up. And we're going to pour it all over the top of our watermelon salad. Mix it together. Ah, smells wonderful. Watermelon is so great in the summertime because it is about 92% water, which means it's a great way to hydrate. It's not super high in carbs, and it also provides some electrolytes. So it's one of Farmer Fred's and my ways to hydrate in the summer when we've been out working outside in the humidity, in the gardens, and we come in and we'll cut a slice of watermelon and rehydrate with some watermelon. Along with water, make sure you also drink lots of fresh water as well. We are ready to give this watermelon a try. Watermelon feta mint salad, I love. Delicious and hydration and nutritious. And just like that, you've got the ultimate summer salad. It's sweet, salty, tangy, and refreshingly, ridiculously delicious. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and for more fresh flavors, drop a comment below. Want the full recipe and all the details? Head to my website, growwithdrjoanette.com, and we'll see you in the next one.